about deer. Have you ever wondered about deer? How big is a deer? What do deer eat? What are antlers made of? Why do deer run away from us? This book answers these and other questions. It is all about deer. Deer are beautiful and graceful animals. Their slender legs give them a delicate, almost fragile appearance, but deer are tougher than they look. They have to be strong to survive in the wild. Deer are the smallest members of the family of animals known as Cervidae. Cervidae means deer or deer-like in Latin. The Cervidae family includes 20 species of deer and elk living in Europe, Asia, North Africa, and the Americas. In North and Central America, there are 6 major species: white-tailed deer, mule deer, black-tailed deer, caribou, elk, and moose. White-tailed deer are named for the white hair under their tails. White-tailed deer 3.5 feet at shoulder, woodlands and forest edges. Male deer 3.5 feet at shoulder, central western U.S., brushland canyons. Black-tailed deer 3.5 feet at shoulder, coastal mountains. Since the white-tailed deer is the most widespread and in every way typical of all deer, the illustrated examples throughout this book depict white-tailed deer. Caribou 4 feet at shoulder, far northern woodland and tundra. Domesticated caribou are called reindeer. Moose 7.5 feet at shoulder, northern forests, largest member of the Cervidae family. Wapiti, also known as elk, 5 feet at shoulder, wilderness, woodlands, and clearings. When viewed from the front or the back, a deer's body is long and narrow. Their slender shape, combined with natural coloration, helps deer blend into woodland surroundings. Partially white, all white and all black deer are rare, but these color variations do occur. Deer that live in deserts are a light tawny color year-round. Generally, deer are reddish-brown in summer and turn grayish in winter. A deer's long legs are slender, muscular, and powerful. Deer hoof top. Deer are cloven-hoofed animals. Each hoof has 2 large toes. Deer hooves dig into the ground for sure footing. They are also sharp enough to stomp and slash an enemy. The most common sign deer leave behind are their heart-shaped hoof prints. tracks of deer walking. When deer run, their toes spread apart and their dew claws may touch the ground. The two small toes on the back of deer feet are called dew claws. The outer hoof is made of a material similar to our fingernails and is kept worn down by the hoof scraping on the ground as the deer walks. The soft, spongy gray area of a deer's hoof bottom provides suction for better footing on smooth, rocky, or sloping surfaces.